In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix your network provider may charge for SMS messages used to activate FaceTime and iMessage. Let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone has an active SIM card or eSIM with SMS messaging enabled. You should also have a stable cellular signal, as activation requires sending and receiving an SMS through your mobile carrier. Next, connect your iPhone to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Although activation uses SMS, a Wi-Fi connection is also required to communicate with Apple's activation servers. Next up, head back. Now scroll all the way down and head over to the option apps. From the list of apps, you will need to find messages. Once you find it, launch it. Now over here, you're going to find the option of iMessage. Toggle off for that option. Then head back and search for FaceTime and disable for the option FaceTime as well. After you do that, give a first restart to your device and then toggle on for these options. Now you can head back. Go to the main page of settings, then go to the option general, go to the option date and time. Make sure you have toggle on for the option set automatically. Since an incorrect date or time can interfere with activation, you should also verify that your carrier supports iMessage and FaceTime activation and that your mobile plan allows sending SMS messages, including international SMS if required. Next, check for software update. For that, head back, go to general, go to software update. If any updates are available, just update it. If iMessage or FaceTime still shows waiting for activation after several hours, try signing out of your Apple ID. For that, head back. Click on your Apple ID given at the very top, scroll all the way down, click on sign out and confirm it. Go to the option general. Scroll all the way down, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset network settings and complete the process. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.